hold on. Go back. What's up, gang? Welcome back to another video with your boy Mr. DLC himself. And today we're back at the ranch and we'll be working on some stuff because we got to get ready to go to Chi-Town. And today we're gonna be working on this abandoned Impala SS. I haven't fucked with it in a while. I parked it because the water pump was leaking, and I've been working on the box Chevy for a while, so it's almost time to go to Chicago. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this little job very quick. And if y'all remember from one of the past videos, I bought this truck right here, the OBS one. The only thing I bought it for was really for the doors, the hood, the windshield, some other small parts. But it has a good rating, 350. I think I'm gonna have some people over today because I put it up for parts and there's no damage to it and it's not crashed. The only really damage in the body is the tailgate. It doesn't have a transmission. Transmission's gone already. But I should even make actually a profit off of this and taking the parts off that I need. I like that smoothie bumper. But yeah, there's gonna be some people over today to come pick up some stuff that they need. My son's truck, he hasn't messed with it in a while either. It's just here parked. But yeah, again, I'm gonna get this thing running. I'll cut you back on once I get it on. That way I could, I'm gonna show you like the system I have in here. I don't think you guys seen it. It's pretty loud. But let me get this thing running first and I'll cut you back. Alright gang, as you can see I got it running already. Got the new water pump in. It's not overheating anymore. Damn, this thing's dusty as hell. I'm gonna have to rinse it off, man. Alright gang, I'm gonna show y'all how loud this shit is. Let me see if I can find something on the radio. I don't even got an antenna, I forgot. Alright guys, I figured it out. Look at the antenna I got. Alright, I'm gonna turn it up. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
How many times did she cry? How many chances she done gave you? Run with me, die.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's obviously it's too powerful for the battery and the alternator for this car. So I try not to turn it too much. But it's 215's V, it starts with the V, like V something X or some shit. I think they're like the biggest one this car makes. They got a 3000 watt high phonics amp. It's 3000 watts. And I need to do the big 3 upgrade, which I already have it, but I haven't had time to do it. It's right here. The big 3 upgrade kits for this car. Yeah, I might have to do that pretty soon before I take it because this thing drains a lot of power. But yeah, I got it going, guys. And next, we're working on the OBS. Well, I need to wash this one first, man. At least something rinse. I'm gonna have to rinse it. Look at my antenna. Some ghetto shit here, my guy. This was my antenna, so you guys can listen to that music. But yeah, I'm getting a lot of phone calls for that OBS over there. So far sold the emblem. The doors are mine. Some guys gonna come pick up the speakers, the stock speakers, I guess. Well, oh, somebody wants this trim back here. This trim that's back here. That up there, and the one that goes on the side right here. So I think he's gonna come pick it up today. It's pretty cool. It's like little coat hangers. I know this is pretty hard to find, like especially like in this condition. No cracks, nothing. Like shit, even the color's not that bad. You can just clean this up. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to take the OBS to the Shy for this car show. But I'm gonna be working on it. This one runs really damn good. The Bang Bus is out of commission for now. This one, this guy wanted it, and he said he'll polish my rims. He'll give me a rim job. I was like, what the hell? But he's gonna polish the rims from that big white truck over there. I was asking 600 for it. Yeah. The baby. Nothing está bien. That one, it just needs like a timing thing. Now this other black Chevy right here, this is this one's 87. Man, I had this car for 16 years, man. It's been through a lot. It's took me through a lot. There's a 350 in it. So this is actually going to be the next project. And I got a lot of plans for this. This one's going to be the one I'm going to go all out with. The other box Chevy you see me working on, that one's something mediocre. You already know this one, the big red. This one right here has been giving me problems. I don't know about that car. There's Bumblebee over there, I guess. Yeah, first, it's just a mess, man, but I know I'm gonna get it right. I got it all dynomated and stuff. It's gonna be badass once I'm done with it. I'm gonna wash up that Impala, man, because I feel bad having it looking like that. Cut your back.
12 seconds later.
What's up, gang? So we're loading up the Impala because the damn flywheel, or whatever you call it, flex plate, cracked on it. You kind of hear it. I got my son loading it right now. Hey, put your window down. Slow. Stop. Go back a little bit. A little bit. Right there. Hold on. So I hate living in sand. These damn ramps come up with the sand is so soft. Alright, go up. You're gonna have to go slow as these ramps go up. Go a little bit. Right, hold on. Go back. Ah, stop. Go back. A little bit. Right there. A little bit more. Right there. I'm gonna fix these ramps. These damn ramps. Because this trailer's moving. Oh man. Got the other one. What was trying, dog? All right, go ahead, go slow. You can turn a little bit this way. Right there, go ahead. Go slow. Hold it right there. Oh, right. Hold on. You come a little bit more. Just a little bit. Right there. Perfect. All right, let's chain it up and let's strap it down. Bruh. All right, gang, we dropped off the Impala right here at Mata's tire shop. Damn, there we got it in the air. Quick action. I told them to take care of it fast. This kid dropped off the parts. They need that stuff back there. That guy right here. We'll drop off the parts to Mr. Mata. And then we're gonna go probably to the pawn shop to see what we could find. Let's see what's up. And the south side of San Antonio. Alright, gang, we dropped off the Impala. Now we're over here getting some stuff because we're gonna see my boy right there. He's in the back of the trailer. We're loading up some lumber because we got some shit going on at the crib. We're gonna build something. Right here, we're loading up some lumber. Be busy this weekend. Cut y'all back right now once we finish loading. All right, gang, we unloaded the wood right here. There's my killer pit bull. We're gonna go ahead and make a deck right here over this dirt pile. But yeah, if you guys want to see that, I'll probably record it so you guys can see it. A little construction video. My pops will be here, so it'll be probably be a funny video because he be cracking us up. But yeah, gang, that pretty much does it for this video. Holla at y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.